Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can convert PDF document to Word and Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word and I'm going to show you how we can convert PDF document to Word with this Microsoft Word. First of all, we need to go to the Insert menu and then we're going to go to this menu guys. You can choose this one. Okay, here you can select object or text from file, and I'm going to show you one by one. If you select object, here you can choose Adobe Acrobat document to convert PDF document to Word. But if you choose the text from file, you just need to select the PDF document you want to convert to the Word. And for example, I'm going to choose one of the PDF document here. Wait guys, I'm going to choose this one for example. We can click on insert and click on OK. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment. Alright, and this is the result. As you can see that the PDF document has been converted to Word. Okay guys, and that's all the way to convert PDF document to Word using Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!